G'day guys, it's Ben again, here to bring you another video, and this one is going to be looking at archery targets. Okay, so lots and lots of different archery targets out there, and most of them these days are very much about different concentric circles that you can create scores from, and you can quite easily look at how your technique is versus the results of your actual shooting. So in a target like this, we tend to refer to this section here as being the butt of the target. Okay, and Archery Australia likes these to be at least raised 30 plus centimeters off the ground, so that you're getting a more, I suppose, the target's lifted, therefore and you've got your opportunity is more raised as opposed to throwing arrows straight into the ground. Alrighty, so with this, it's quite easy to see what the different concentric circles mean, obviously, and which ones score better. And as I say, it's good from the point of view of being able to say, right, you know, my shooting under this sort of circumstances have created different results from previous shooting. I like on these sorts of targets, so this is a high density rubber, approximately 50 millimeters thick. These are 80 centimeters tall and wide, which I think is really good because it does create plenty of room for the actual target itself. Historical targets would have looked nothing like this whatsoever. Traditionally, people would have learnt to shoot. There we go, falling arrow. Traditionally, people would have learnt to shoot in archery simply through, here's a bow, go and find some food. And kids as young as like 5 years old would have been pretty much expected to be able to produce quail, pheasant, and those kind of birds, pigeons for the table, and that's quite reasonable. And obviously, as they grow and their strength develops, then you can start looking at bigger targets. Going back to the high density foam, I think it's really good that technology has reached a point where we can produce some very, very good high density foam targets which resemble things like pigs and deer and fox and so on. And so people can learn to shoot and aim for specific parts of the body which is going to cause the most humane kill possible. So being able to take out the heart and that kind of thing is absolutely ideal. I don't believe you know, you're going to get a better way to teach people these kind of skills. Irrespective of how you feel about actually using archery to hunt live animals, I do think it's very good for those who do to do it properly and ethically and humanely. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you in my next video.